DOS Trader tutorials brought to you by Bear Bull Traders. In this DOS tutorial, you will learn how to zoom into a specific area on your charts. This is a very simple feature, but if you're coming from a different platform, might be a little different and thus confusing. So open up your DOS Trader Pro and you will learn how to do that right now. So pull up any stock on any chart. I just have Tesla 1 minute. And using my mouse, if you have a scroller, I can automatically zoom in and out with the mouse. Okay, and that's nice because you can easily zoom out to see more candles and to zoom in. But let's say we want to find a specific area on the charts, like this area of consolidation right here. This is what I want to zoom into. So on your keyboard, click Shift. Now drag your mouse to wherever you want it to be able to highlight multiple candles, and click in that area, and then while still holding Shift and still holding the left click on the mouse, move the mouse to highlight whatever candles you want, and then let go of everything together. So you can see now I'm in that consolidation area. Let's try it again. Let's go to a different time frame. And let's zoom out a little bit more. And let's say I want to see the end of day yesterday, just these last candles. Go over to an area above the candle you want. Click Shift, click the left mouse button, hold everything, then drag the mouse to cover all the candles you want, and then let go of everything, and you can see. Now, let's say you don't want to see these two candles as it's throwing off this scale. Very simply click on the left arrow over here and you can go back like that. You can also click on this right arrow to move forward. I can use the zoom button to zoom out, and if I really only want to see this one, left click the Shift, or we'll do it on this way. Click Shift and hold, left click mouse, drag this box to cover all the candles you want, and you can see now I only see these candles. Let's try it one more time on a different stock and on the daily chart. So we've got MU daily chart pulled up. We can zoom out with the mouse. Let's say we want to see this area of consolidation. Click the Shift, left click the mouse, hover over the candles you want. Now you can see I am zoomed into the specific area on the chart. If you have any questions about this or have any future ideas for videos, comment below in the YouTube comments, ask us in our forum or our chat. Thank you.